As a contractor myself, I'm always looking for products that make my job easier and for better finished product for my customers. So when I was asked to talk about Float Frame, I jumped at it. Float Frame is a new patented product that allows you to create floating surfaces with virtually any material. Because each bracket can support up to 750 pounds, not even heavy materials like granite or manufactured stone is a problem for Float Frame. Create beautiful kitchen island overhangs, floating sinks, foyer benches, even office desk and reception areas. With multiple sizes available, the possibilities with Float Frame are endless. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach, frame, and finish. Attach your float frame or island arm to the existing studs. Install your backing and finish materials, and finish with any counter material. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You won't be disappointed, and your customers will be amazed.